Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. This dessert is like the Mexican dessert Sopapilla. In fact, that is what this was called when we received the recipe from our friend Beth. But after we tried it, Scott named it Ridiculousness because it is ridiculously good. And it's so easy, it's just ridiculous. It starts off with cream cheese. I mean, whatever has cream cheese in it has to be good, right? And watch out, there is a lot of sugar in this recipe. Our friend Beth was always organizing and collecting and taking food to people, like if a family had a loss or a new baby, and I admired that about her, and I told her I always struggled with what I should take. So she gave me some recipes and I loved how easy they were. And this is one of them. My mouth is watering as I'm watching this. So if you need an idea for something to take to someone, here you go. First, you mix the room temperature cream cheese with sugar and vanilla, and you can eat this on its own or with some fruit as a dessert. Just that is really good. But for this ridiculousness recipe, you will put it between crescent rolls and top it with sugar and cinnamon and butter. You'll see that in a little bit, and we'll bake it for 30 minutes. It's just heavenly, y'all. This 8x8 pan, you put half of the crescent rolls on the bottom. You don't even have to grease the pan, and you don't have to press the seams together. I told you it was easy. I filmed this back in June and we took it to a dinner party, and I didn't get a clip of us cutting into it, but you can trust me that it's one of the best desserts out there. You can double this recipe and put it in a 13x9 pan. It's the perfect recipe because doubling it would be 2 blocks of cream cheese, 2 cans of crescent rolls, etc. It's so super easy. I dare you to take it to a potluck or to a holiday and see if it gets gone fast. I think it's really special to share recipes because I always think of the person I received them from and the memories of that time period in my life. I'm really grateful that Beth shared this yummy recipe with me, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Let me know if you make it or if you've ever made anything like this. I love all of you so much. Thank you for watching, and if this is your first time here, please join us by hitting that subscribe button down below. Hit that like button if you like the video and or if you are grateful for yummy food like this, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Just thought I should let you know that now, no, it's so much.